Welcome back to MacPhee Ford. And today we're taking a look at this 2020 Ford F-150 XLT. This XLT is painted in Velocity Blue. You've got your remote entry keypad here, blind spot on the mirrors, power window controls, cloth seating for the passenger and driver, also manual operated with a third row bench seat. Get an electric parking brake and your lighting controls right there. You get a pre-collision assist just up there. Your infotainment screen with driver's assist, tire pressure, fuel economy, and trip odometers. Cruise control on the left here, and then you've got your hands-free on the right. Traction control, four-way flashes, and then your auto start-stop function. A Sync 3 sound system with built-in hotspot, Bluetooth for your phone, satellite radio, and other features. Locking differential with 2 high, 4 high, and 4 low. Your climate controls right here, and then below that is 2 USB ports and a 12-volt outlet. You also have another 12-volt outlet just over there. Center console bench seat, your center console. Bench seat goes up when you don't need it. It lays down and acts as a nice armrest. If we take a look at the rear, get your chrome rear bumper. You get your trailer hitch, and then you've also got a spare tire under there. Rear view camera right below the tailgate latch. Taking a look at the tailgate, you've also got a tailgate step built in. Do have the option for a drop-in or a spray-in bed liner in the truck bed. And then the back seat, you got cloth seating in the rear. Cloth seats do fold up for extra storage. You've got pouches behind the front seats for any other storage you may need. A 12-volt outlet just right here, and then 2 cup holders that drop down. And then you've got your front of the truck, chrome front bumper, chrome grille. You've got halogen headlights and fog lights. Tow hooks up front here with accessories to upfit it with some plow gear, anything you may please. So come on over to MacPhee Ford today, talk to a sales advisor about getting you into this F-150. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.